Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital branding with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your digital branding with Squarespace, start by defining your brand identity. Identify your brand values, mission, and vision. Choose a specific target audience that resonates with your brand. Craft a compelling brand story that connects emotionally with your audience. Select a Squarespace template that reflects your brand identity. Make sure the design aligns with your brand colors and logo. Customize the layout to highlight your key messages. Optimize your website's navigation for a user-friendly experience. Create engaging content that showcases your brand's offerings. Utilize high-quality images and videos that reflect your brand's aesthetic. Incorporate consistent typography that matches your brand's voice. Add a blog to share valuable insights related to your industry. Integrate social media links to connect with your audience. Use SEO best practices to enhance your site's visibility. Optimize meta descriptions, titles, and image alt text. Consider adding an email sign-up form to capture leads. Offer downloadable resources that provide value to your audience. Use analytics tools to track website performance and user engagement. Adjust your strategy based on insights gained from the analytics data. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback on your website. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Establish a consistent posting schedule for your blog. Leverage Squarespace e-commerce features if applicable to your brand. Provide clear calls to action throughout your site. Host webinars or online workshops to further engage with your community. Explore Squarespace built-in marketing tools for email campaigns. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche for outreach. Foster community engagement through comments and forums if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.